The smartest, most advanced power chair to ever hit the market? We have it. The Strutt EV1. With CoPilot Assist, self-driving LiDAR technology, and even a backup camera. A unit so smart it won't even let you run off a curb, or into walls, or even little people. The Strutt EV1. And now a special message from Chris to all of you dealers out there.
This is kind of like Christmas for us. It's super exciting to be the first one in the United States to be able to offer this to our customers. And if you're another dealer, we have a lot of dealers that watch this channel. We hear about it all the time. We thank all the dealers that watch. We try to push people into your stores. If you're interested in this power wheelchair, I talked to All-Star Medical up in Tennessee about this many times. I think this would be a great chair for his customers, or anywhere you're at. Contact me. Just give me a call, send me an email. Let me help you become one of these dealers for this unit, because I think you're really going to love it. And I think you have the customers for this. As long as I've been doing this 20 years, I've seen many situations where someone couldn't use a power chair but really needed it. Now we have it. We have everything.
Take me to mailbox.
Back door, mailbox 1.
Mailbox 1.
Heading to mailbox 1.
There's 2 paths out there for mailbox. Now this is real. I'm not touching it. No one's controlling it with Bluetooth. It's going to take me on its safest path. And again, I'm not using my hands at all.
And if you'd like to see our full tutorial on setting up waypoints with the Strutt EV1, check out the video up on our channel now, with an unboxing video, as well as other videos that we made with the Strutt team in the process of developing this unit. And guys, this is only the beginnings. A lot more things to go over on this unit, and in the spirit of being the first to bring you new product, we got some more things coming, so stick around. We'll see you in the next one.